Hi guys, it's Tammy and I have some boxes here from Amazon Prime that I want to open and do an unboxing on because it is my air fryer and I thought that you guys might like to see it. So it's my air fryer and some accessories. I love Amazon Prime. I don't know if you guys use Amazon Prime, but hoo-wee, if you don't, I totally recommend it. So I'm going to put this on both of my channels again, so you guys know. Pop these little fun things. And I have one more, which is the big box with the air fryer in it, I'm sure. And I'm sure the air fryer isn't as big as this box is, but oh my goodness, it is pretty big actually. That's the only thing that's in this box. Oh, hopefully this box isn't too heavy, and hopefully I can open it. I have a pin. That should help me. Wow, I really didn't expect for this box to be that big. I had told my brother that I had gotten an air fryer and I asked him if he had one, and he said that he did and that he liked it, but he thought that it was too small. And when I ordered mine, I wasn't, I got on a kick where I thought, ooh, gosh, this looks really cool. I think I'm going to get one. And I kind of looked through some things and I saw that there were different sizes. And so I got a bigger size because I have myself, my husband, and my son. Oh, it's yet in another box. You are kidding me. Wah. Where's my husband when I need him? So I got the 5.8 quart one. So this is it. It is a Go Wise 5.8 quart programmable. So I want to try to take it out so you guys can see. I'm going to put it down here just because it's a little easier. And sorry if you can see my Murder, She Wrote in the background. That's what I was watching when it was delivered. Daytime TV is not that great, so I recorded some Murder, She Wrotes and have been watching some of those. I haven't watched much YouTube yet. I need to get into that again. I just started doing my videos again today, so holy cow. So my brother said his is small. Oh, mine is not small. Mine is way bigger than I expected it to be. I'm going to lower this down so I don't have to lift this up. Oh, so you guys can see. Look at that. This is a pretty big ol' machine. Ugh. Oh, it's like closed and stuff. But it looks like a big egg. Oh, and I'm going to need to definitely clean my cabinets and figure out where to put this. But so there is the space for your cooking. And it's actually rather large. I mean, I think it's a very decent size. And it smells brand new, which it should. I mean, it is, so that's pretty cool. It looks really neat. I'm kind of excited to see how it works. So I'm not going to go over it right now because I don't know enough about it. But let me show you the things that I got to go with it. Well, I got this Hungry Girl. Let me move you toward me again now. I got this Hungry Girl to the Max cookbook. It is quite large. I thought this would be nice to use some recipes and find some good stuff. I know when I have lost weight before, I had used some of her cookbooks, and I can't find them now. I don't know what I did with them, so I have that one that I can look through. And then as far as the air fryer goes, I got 2, maybe 3 cookbooks, because that's how I am. You guys know me. I got Paula Deen's air fryer cookbook. And I know she's done a lot more healthy stuff, so hopefully this is more like that. And I love her anyway. She's just adorable, I think. So I got that. And then I also got this Air Fry Everything, over 130 foolproof recipes for fried and easy, fresh ideas. So I'm going to give it a whirl and see what we can do. When I looked through it on Amazon, I found some that I thought were really good. Now these French fries look amazing. And I'm not going to lie, you know I'll be making some French fries in here sometime too. And then I got this accessories. And it's a 7-inch accessory thing that contains a cake basket, a pizza pan, a metal holder, a recipe book, a silicone mat, multi-purpose skewers, and a mini silicone pan. And then still to come, I got a big thing of skewers, because we love like chicken and stuff like that on the grill. So I thought that that would be good for little bites of chicken, hopefully that I can eat, because you know, some of this I won't be able to, but even this silicone, oh sorry, I wasn't holding this up high enough, even this like silicone cupcake holder or muffin pan, I thought, you know, it's only 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, oh, I guess it's 7. So you can make a smaller amount, which is nice. I won't need to make a ton of anything, especially if it's just me and Dennis eating. But I thought that it would be nice to have something like this to put inside to help with my cooking. And I'm not going to open this up right now because I don't want to get it all out, because I won't be able to use it for a little while still. But and I don't even know where I'm going to put it in my kitchen yet. I have to figure all this out. But I'm pretty excited about it. I think it should be pretty neat. And I am going to go look at my cookbooks and see what fun stuff I can do. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.